Hey, good morning. I am making breakfast. I went to Longhorn Steakhouse last night and I have some leftover steak. So I'm going to make me some breakfast. I've already had my coffee. I've been up since like 3 o'clock this morning. It's 7 o'clock. So I was like, it's probably time to eat breakfast. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing. So I have some potatoes O'Brien in here that I use to make a breakfast casserole with. And they're still somewhat frozen. So anyway, I trying to get these browned, and then I got my steak cut up, and then I've got my eggs scrambled. There's some bread that was left over, or she gave me another loaf, and I'm gonna add some cheese to it. It's gonna be really good. Okay, I just poured my eggs in there. I think everything is pretty much good to go. I thought I had shredded cheese, but I don't. I just have sliced, so it is what it is. This would be really good in a tortilla that I got like a breakfast burrito, but I'm just going to eat it in a bowl because I don't have a tortilla. And maybe a little bit of that bread buttered. Doesn't it look good? I mean, not with raw eggs, but it will look good. I'll slap me some cheese on it. Now I'm just waiting for it to melt on in there. Not too bad for leftovers, especially for breakfast. Put some hot sauce on it. They need more cheese. Voila, it's done. It tastes pretty good too.